Hey everyone, welcome back to this video. Today I'm diving into an exciting strategy that can potentially help you make huge gains trading meme coins on Solana. We are going to explore how to find winning wallets to copy trade using the powerful tool that is called DexSensei. So without further delay, let's get straight into this video. So for those who might not know, a Trojan bot is a popular Telegram bot that is used for trading and sniping meme coins. But today we will focus on DexSensei, and that is an awesome tool that anyone can use to boost their trading success. So DexSensei is a Solana wallet analyzer that allows us to track successful wallets and copy their trades. This strategy can be a game changer, especially for those who are new to the crypto scene. So first of all, we are going to find the profitable wallet, and in order to do that, what you need to do is you need to come to dexscreener.com, and here you just have to hover over to the left hand section and click on Solana. After that, you just have to filter the coins out with the help of the 24 hours. So you just have to click on this section and make sure the last 24 hours is selected over here. After that, you just have to simply select the token that catches your eyes. So let's say I'm going to select this Dooku coin over here. So I simply click on it. So after clicking on it, you just have to select the top traders option. Now over here, you will be able to see all of the top traders that are making profit with this particular token. But you need to be cautious though, because some traders might use the MEV strategies. So avoid those for copy trading. Now in order to find the wallet address of the trader that you have selected, you just have to simply click on the arrow button right next to their profile, and then you will be redirected on the soul scan, where you just have to copy their address. So as you can see that we are on soulscan.io, and this is the wallet address of the person that we have just selected. So basically this is our wallet address. Now that we have some wallet addresses, it's time to use DexSensei bot, and here is what you can do. So first of all, you need to click on Telegram, or you can even use the link that I have given you in the description of DexSensei. After that, you just have to simply click on the start button. The free version allows 2 users per day, but the upgrading to the premium gives you unlimited access and entry to a private alpha group where top wallets are shared. So you need to enter the command check over here, and after that you just have to paste the wallet address that you have just copied from Dex Screener. Now the bot will show you the important metrics like Solana balance, 7-day ROI, win rate, and trade details. So a good copy trade wallet should have a 7-day ROI of at least 500% and a win rate above 50%. So you just have to keep on analyzing the wallets until you find one that stands out. For instance, if you come across a wallet with a 7-day ROI of 600% and a win rate of 85%, that's a great candidate for us to copy trade. So once you have identified a promising wallet, you just have to click on the copy trade button on the DexSensei, which will take you to the Trojan bot on Solana. So here you can easily set up your trades to mimic the selected wallets. Here you just have to click on the copy trade and then select the new option. After that, you just have to click on target wallet and paste the wallet that you have just selected. After that, it will take the wallet. Now you can give it a name, you can set the slippage, and you can even adjust the settings as per your knowledge. After that, if you go back, you will notice that your indicators are now set and you are now doing the copy trade. So this is how you can leverage DexSensei to find the winning wallets and boost your trading success on Solana. This method is still relatively unknown, so you need to make sure to get it on it very early. If you are new to Trojan bot, then I have created a detailed tutorial video on Trojan bot, which you can check out on my channel, and the link of the Trojan bot is also given down in the description, so you can use that link. So if the video was helpful to you, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. Happy trading.